guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I will be showing you how to be making slime, just any slime. So you could do it whatever color you want, whatever design you want. So I chose pink to purple changing color glue. They actually almost just came out. You need to open the top as usual. Look at that magenta pink. This is actually my favorite color of pink. I mean, like, what girl doesn't like pink? You gotta make sure you get all of it out. Why is this so hard? How much glue is in these bottles? Jeez. Oh, big bubble just came out. Did you know that slime can actually take out splinters? I didn't try it, but on a video it said it worked. If you're watching this video, then you probably already know what slime is. But I don't know how to explain. If you guys want me to do like slime challenges with my mom and sister, then leave a like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And by the way, we will be adding a tiny bit of clear glue. I watched so many slime videos. Like, seriously. Come on, go! That's enough glue for now, okay? Tiny bit more. So I'm gonna add in the other. Just a tiny bit of clear glue. You see that tiny amount? That's what we're putting in. You could do this whatever color you want. I just chose pink color changing glue and a little bit of clear glue. I actually have like 4 of these. I didn't have much, but I gave some to my sister because they were dried out. Oh yeah. Yeah, cool. Yep, that's slime. It's totally slime. I'm sorry guys, but if you're watching this at like in the dark, you might not be able to see me or this bowl. I'll open up Minecraft channel like in summer. Right now it's spring, so yeah, it's sort of slime. Why am I so unlucky? So it's turning out pretty nicely, as you can see. It's pretty slippery. So after I mix this all up and it's all just like the actual slime that you see in stores. And by the way, we do have a shout out. The shout out is Fishdom for sponsoring this video. Fishtom is this fun game that you have to take care of a fish. You have to not get it into traps. And you have to give it puzzle pieces sometimes, if you're lucky. You do have to get some money to earn this game. So, yeah. Oh my god. Wait 1 sec. I need to wash my hands. I even decided to get my glitter library. I will need to wash my hands because see, look, I'm froggy. Have you ever heard of this guy, Unspeakable? He's a frog, like me. I'm a pink frog. Sorry guys, I need to go wash my hands. So I'm gonna deal with this whole sticky thing a little later. So now, time to add some glitter. You can add whatever glitter you want. Whoopsies. I actually added way too much. But that's okay. We can still add a tiny bit more glitter. This will just be a glitter day. Have fun, especially. What color should I use now? I think I might go with a tiny, tiny amount of black. That looks good. Well, we're doing this the right way, so yeah. I'm gonna add a lot. I'm gonna add some blue too. I mean, like, who doesn't like blue? No one. Can we just do a replay of that? Well, yeah, that happened. Add like a tiny bit more black. Maybe that's not a tiny bit, but I say it's a tiny bit. You can get these like glitter libraries at Target. So if you ever want to make slime yourself, then follow my tutorials. I don't have many right now, but there will be. I don't know. By the way, go check out my rim tutorial. That was actually one of my first videos. And I also have a little bit of singing videos. So if Wendy, Unspeakable, or Preston is watching one of these videos, or Chad and Lee is watching one of these videos, thank you guys for all the videos you post. You just need to add it up. Add it up. This slime is turning out really good. Turning into purple because it's color changing glue. And by the way, I have like 4 more of these. So if you want to watch more videos like these, then make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and slam that notification bell. I mean, not slam, because if you slam your the notification bell, then you're gonna break your screen. So don't slam it. Just tap it. Just tap it. Then the notification bell will be on. So yeah, this slime came out great. I will play with these slimes in another video. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. Because I post videos a lot, but not too much. I did my web tour, I did a little bit of singing. I will have a music video. So, stay tuned. I will do a lot of pranks and edible school supplies. So, yeah. Be aware of that. Oh, I just popped a giant bubble.
No, I'm not.
Happy, happy, So this slime turned out very, very, very well. Peace out.